The Elements tab includes auxiliary elements you will use to create page content for your store and funnels, providing more details and information about your products to your customers. The elements found within the Elements tab can be used to design a page from scratch or make additions to your existing pages. Let's get acquainted with the elements you can use within the Elements tab. Layout. Thanks to the features in the Layout area, you can make arrangements in columns within your page. This feature, called the grid system, divides the pages into 12 equal parts. When you look at the ready-made layout areas, the expression 12 represents one full area. The expression 6 indicates that the area is divided into two, while 3 and 4 show that the area is divided into 3 and 4, respectively. All elements under the Elements tab work with drag and drop logic. You can drag and drop the feature you want to add to the place you want to specify on the page. To better understand the layout logic, I want to show you how to use it on an empty page. This way, you can use the grid system smoothly while making adjustments in your store or funnels. I'm dragging and dropping a 6x6, or divided into 2, area into my page. As you can see, there is an area divided into 2 here. I will provide examples of some elements that I can drag and drop into this area from under the Elements tab. To the first area, I'm adding the image element found under the media properties. For the second area, I will add a title and text. I have added the heading and text elements to this area. I am adding a product image to the image element I added earlier, and in the other area, I am detailing the product information using a title and description. You can experiment with the various features found in the Elements tab in these areas. LightFunnels provides editing capabilities for all elements you add to the page. When you want to make a change to an element, you can explore the style properties of that element by looking at the Styles section. Text. The features in the text area can be used to present written text to your customers. Title, text, and list elements can be added to the relevant area on your page using the drag and drop method. You can make various typographic adjustments among the style features of the texts. For example, I want to show you how you can format a title and text. When you click on the title element, you can select the type of title from the typography section in the Styles screen. Here, you can choose the font type, set the font size, determine the thickness of the font, and define the font color. In the Text Align field, you can use alignment options for your titles and texts. Another element in the text area, the list element, can be used to sequentially convey information within a specific text. Media. The media section contains elements that you will use to add images and videos to your page. When you want to add an image, you can drag and drop the image element to the relevant area. If you want to add a video, you can add the video element to your page. From the Settings section, you can define the video link URL from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo where your video is uploaded. Form. The elements in the Form section allow you to provide various directions to your customers on your page and collect information from them. The button element is used to trigger an action or redirect to a page. This way, you can direct your customers to a purchase page or use this element to complete the purchase process. The checkbox element is a useful tool for incorporating various marketing strategies and adding potential customer segments to your lists. Particularly on the payment page, you can utilize this element to make additional sales for products you offer through an order bump to your customers. The link element. You can direct your customers to a specific page, section, or a different URL address. After selecting the link element, you can customize the appearance of your links using the settings in the Styles section. The block link element, when added to your page, provides the functionality to redirect users to a different page or URL when they click on another element embedded within it. The input element is a form element used primarily on the payment page to collect customer information. You can specify which information to collect from the customer by setting the type attribute of the input element you add. The select element is crucial for collecting address information from your customers on the payment page. The text area element is used to create an input field for messages you want to receive from your customers on contact pages. It can also be preferred to enable your users to write reviews about products. The label element is used above form inputs to provide information about that input. For example, it can be used to indicate the fields for name and surname on the payment page. If you are creating a different form structure, consider using the label element. The star selector element is a rating tool generally used by customers to evaluate your products. The file input element is used to receive files from your customers in the comments section or during customizable product sales. The write review element is a simple-to-use feature that allows you to quickly and easily add a comment section to your page. The elements in the MISC area consist of various elements generally used in page layout. Let's explore the functions of these elements and the purposes for which they can be used. The navbar element allows you to quickly add an access area to your page. This element provides a ready-to-use and handy menu that enables users to easily reach contact pages, your products, and many other pages. The tabs element allows you to present grouped information to your users through drop-down menus. This element is ideal for presenting content in an organized and user-friendly manner. The countdown element aims to boost your sales by creating time-limited campaigns. This element creates a sense of urgency by adding a specific time limit to your products, encouraging users to take action. The image element allows you to add visuals of products from your inventory to your page. This provides a simple and effective way to visually present your products to visitors. The accordion element offers collapsible content. This element is useful when you want to neatly display and hide a large amount of text or graphic content. Users can click on the section they are interested in to learn more. The toggle element typically functions as a button or switch. This element is used to facilitate actions such as turning a feature on or off, making it visible or invisible. The currency converter element offers your customers the opportunity to choose their own currency in your store or funnels. With this element, you can display the currencies defined in your LightFunnel system to the users. The stars element allows your customers to rate your products using a star rating system. This element displays the average rating of your products based on customer reviews. When using the stars element, you need to activate the product's visibility score from the settings section of the element. The sticky element adds a sticky feature to your page, allowing you to present an interactive event or message with other elements placed inside it. The carousel element is used to create slideshows featuring multiple images. This element allows you to dynamically display your banners, campaigns, or other visual content within the page. The pop-up element appears as a small emergent window on your website when customers visit your store, used for providing information, directing to an action, or for advertising purposes. You can use this element to create ads and information that encourage users to take advantage of a campaign by adding an image, text, or button. The cookies element refers to small data files saved on computers and phones by visited websites. These files are stored on the device's memory and allow the sites to recognize you when you visit them again. The icon element is used to visually represent a specific idea on web pages, contributing to the visual enhancement of the pages. The container element provides an area where you can place texts, images, videos, or other contents, which can be thought of as a frame or box. The spacer element allows you to leave a specific space between your contents, helping you create a more organized and readable page structure. The divider element is a tool that you can use to create a line separation between texts or specific areas. The masonry element is a type of grid-based layout used on web pages, functioning alongside columns. Unlike other grid layouts, the masonry layout does not have a fixed height for each row. This feature allows the masonry layout to transfer content to the web page in the most optimized way, making the design unique. The title element allows you to provide simple information about a product or service on web pages. This element is a highly preferred and useful tool for informing your customers about your products or services. The slider element is an indispensable component frequently encountered on the entrance screens of web pages. It is an ideal element for presenting product photos, banners, and other visuals to your customers. The split slider element is a component on your web page that enables transitions between different visual expressions. It offers a dynamic and interactive experience to the user, enhancing the visual appeal of the page. Checkout. The payment form element is a form component that allows you to present the payment methods registered in your LightFunnel system to your customers on a payment page. This form enables users to make their payments easily and securely. The Express Checkout element offers your customers a quick payment option. This method allows users to complete their payment processes more quickly and efficiently. The Order Bump element is commonly used on the payment page to offer an additional or complementary product just before the customer makes a payment, aiming to increase your sales. This strategy is an effective way to enhance the value of the customer's shopping cart. The shipping address form enables you to collect the necessary contact information for shipping from your customers. You can quickly add this form to your page using the drag and drop method. The billing address form allows you to collect the necessary address information for billing from your customers. This form simplifies and organizes the post-sale billing process. The Checkout Summary is a form that displays a summary of their shopping to your customers on the payment page. This form allows customers to apply discount coupons you provide before making a payment. The COD Cash on Delivery form is designed for customers who prefer the cash on delivery payment system. This form enables users to quickly create their orders and offers the opportunity to present bulk purchase campaigns. The Order Summary is an informational element that allows customers to see the summary of their purchase on the thank you page after completing their purchase transactions. The Shipping Method is an element on the payment page where customers can choose the shipping method for the products they purchase. With this element, you can offer customers the options of fast or standard shipping. The Price Bundle is a sales strategy tool you can use to offer discounts at certain rates for bulk purchases of products. This method allows you to determine the discounts to be applied when multiple products are purchased. The Cart element is a convenient component that displays a list and related information of the products your customers have added to their cart from your store. With this element, customers can easily view and manage the products in their shopping cart. Widgets. The Custom HTML element provides an area where you can add your own HTML code to your page. With this element, you can add customized content or functionality to your page. The Variant Selection element creates an area on the product page where different variant options of your product and the quantities that users can purchase are determined. This element allows customers to choose from product options and decide the quantity they wish to purchase. The Inline Variant element is a feature on the product page that allows you to present the variants of your product in a row and in a sequential manner. With this element, you can display product variants in a more organized and accessible way. Data. The Repeater element is a component you can use to display data related to your product in a repeating structure on your page. This element is critically important for presenting dynamic content in your store's structure. After adding the Repeater element to your page, you need to select which product data you want to fetch in the Settings section. This way, you can automatically repeat a certain data set on your page, enhancing the user experience. LightFunnels Academy continues to grow the panel with the videos we have prepared for LightFunnels users to work more efficiently and see what they can do using the power of LightFunnels. We will continue to prepare all the features of LightFunnels with tutorial videos. You can create stunning websites with dozens of free funnels and store themes that LightFunnels offers to its users. Thanks to the fast and easy use of the panel, you can create more work in less time. Moreover, LightFunnels comes with a 14-day trial for new users. Create an account today and build a store or funnels using the powerful features we offer you. Experience the joy of selling.